though, here's your 427 small block 4. Give you a description of this combination. It's got AFR Heads. Obviously, it's got the Shelby aluminum block, nice piece. Borla. Fuel management, Holley. Terminator X. It's got a custom grind hydraulic roller. It's got the GT40 front end on it. Aviaid Oil Pan. Show you how it ran. Alright, 3,600, 462 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 518, peak horsepower 570, so everything good. We'll get her off there, get in a crate, come your way, have a great day.